Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 739 named daily temperatures. In this problem, we are given an array of integers represents the daily temperatures. Now, we have to return another array answer such that answer of I is the number of days you have to wait after the ith day to get a warmer temperature. Now, if there is no future day for which this is possible, we have to keep answer of I is equal to 0 instead. Now, closely examine this first example. Here, there are several temperatures are given, which is 73, 74, 75, and so on. Now, for this temperature 73, we have to wait 1 day to get the warmer temperature, because 74 is greater than 73. So here we have to wait 1 day. So here we have to store 1 in the answer array. Now, for this second day, we have to wait 1 day because 75 is greater than 74. So here 1 is stored here. Now for this day 75, we have to wait 4 days because 76 is greater than 75. So here we have to wait 4 days. So here we have to add 4 to the answer. Now, for this day 71, we have to wait 2 days because 72 is greater than 71, and which is obviously we have to wait 2 more days to get the warmer temperature. And similarly, for the day 69, we have to wait 1 day to get the temperature 72. And for the temperature 72, we have to wait 1 day to get the temperature 76, which is warmer. Now, for the 76 and 73, we have to store 0 and 0. Now, this is the overall output. So here, the array length can be in between 1 to 10 to the power 5, and each of the array element can be in between 30 to 100. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now here, to understand the algorithm, we have taken the first example. Here we are given 8 days. The first entry is the temperature, and in the second entry is the corresponding index number of the corresponding day number. 73 is the 0th day, 74 is the 1 index day, and so on. Okay, so far so good. Now, to solve this problem, we will use the stack data structure. Here, we know that the stack operates in last in, first out manner. So here, for each of the entry of the stack, we will store the corresponding temperature and corresponding index number. Okay, so we have to use a stack to solve this problem. Now here, it is used to keep track of the indices of temperature that have not been yet resolved. Anyways, now let's write down the algorithm. Suppose at first we are at this first index here. Now we have to check whether is any of the element in the stack of top is less than the first element or not. So here the stack is empty. So we have to insert the element 73 and 0. So here 73 is the corresponding temperature and 0 is the corresponding index. So far so good. Now we are at this element 74. So we have to check whether any of the entry has the less than value than the 74 or not. So here we can see that the top element of the stack, which is 73, which is less than 74. So here we have to calculate the duration. So here the duration will be 1, which is the 74 index, 1 minus 0, 0. So we can say that we have to wait 1 days after the day 73 to get the warmer temperature. So we have to erase the 73 from the stack. Now we have to take consideration of this element 75, but before that we have to add the 74 into the stack with its corresponding index number, which is 1. Now we are at this index 75. So here we can see that stack top element 74 is less than 75, right? So we have found a greater temperature for the temperature 74, which is the stack top element. So here the number of day we have to wait is 2 minus 1, which is 1. So we have to add 1 into the 74. Now we have to remove 1 or remove 74 from the stack, and we have to add the entry 75 with its corresponding index number. Now we are at this element 73. So here 75 is greater than 73 or 71. So we have to add 71 here, 71 and 3. Now we are at this element 69. So 71, which is the stack top element temperature, which is greater than 69. So we have to add 69 with its corresponding index number, which is 69, 4. Now we are at this element 72. So here stack top element is less than 72, where 69, which is the stack top element, it is less than 72. So for this 69, we have found a warmer temperature, and the day we have to wait is 5 minus 4. 5 is this, 4 is this. So for 69, we have to wait 1 days. Now we have to remove 69 and 4 from the corresponding stack. Now here, again, we notice that 71 is less than 72, right? So for this temperature 71, we have found another warmer days. So here we have to wait 2 days. 2 comes from 5 minus 3, which is 2. So here we have to remove 71 from 3. Now the stack top element is 75 and our current element is 72, but 75 is greater than 72, so we cannot do anything here. So we have to add 72 along with the index number. Now we are at this element 76. So here we can see that 72 is less than 76. So we can say that we have found another warmer day for this 76. Now the duration will be 1, which is 6 minus 5. 6 is this, 5 is this. So we have to remove 72 from the stack. Now we have to add, wait, but we can see that 75 is also less than 76. So here we have found another warmer day for the 75. So here for the 75, the duration will be 6 minus 2, which is 6 minus 2, that means 4. So here the 4 is given. Now, for the 76, before continuing the iteration, we have to remove 75 from the stack. Now, we have to add 76 along with the corresponding index number. Now, for this 73, 76 is greater than 73, so we don't have to do anything here. So here, we have to add 73 along with the index number. Now, the iteration is completed and we have to add default value 0 and 0 for the last two element. So here, this green array we have to return, and this is the answer array. I hope you understood the corresponding algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, we are given a function named daily temperatures, which has a vector as a parameter. Now we are given n, which is the size of the input array, and we have to take a stack which will store the pair of integers as the element. Now we have declared a result array. Initially, all of the entry are 0. Now we have to iterate from 0 to n, and we have to store the current day and current temperature. Now we have to repetitively check whether the stack top element's temperature is less than current temperature or not. If it is, that means we have found a warmer day. So here we have to add the corresponding duration to the results previous day index. After that, we have to push the pair of the temperature and the current day into the stack. Finally, we have to return the result. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.